A. A for apple. Listen to me. Apple. B. B for banana. Listen to me. Banana. C. C for cherry. Listen to me. Cherry. D. D for dragon fruit. Listen to me. Dragon fruit. E. E for elderberry. Listen to me. Elderberry. F. F for fig. Listen to me. Fig. G. G for grapes. Listen to me. Grapes. H. H for huckleberry. Listen to me. Huckleberry. I. I for eat a plum. Listen to me. Eat a plum. Z. Z for jackfruit. Listen to me. Jackfruit. K. K for kiwi. Listen to me. Kiwi. L. L for lemon. Listen to me. Lemon. M. M for mango. Listen to me. Mango. N. N for nectarine. Listen to me. Nectarine. O. O for orange. Listen to me. Orange. P. P for pear. Listen to me. Pear. Q. Q for queens. Listen to me. Queens. R. R for raspberry. Listen to me. Raspberry. S. S for strawberry. Listen to me. Strawberry. T. T for tomato. Listen to me. U. U for UV. V. V for Vodanga. W. W for watermelon. Listen to me. Watermelon. X. X for Zinnia. Listen to me. Zinnia. Y. Y for yuzu. Z. Z for zucchini. Listen to me. Zucchini.